Hey, what's up? I'm Styler. In this video I will review the Elephone P6000 that I got from gearbest.com. It comes with the MTK6732 64-bit quad-core chipset clocked at 1.5 GHz. It also supports LTE 4G and has a 5-inch IPS HD display, 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. It comes out of the box with 4.4.4 KitKat, but it should also soon get the new Android Lollipop. So the thing is that the KitKat is actually still only 32-bit, and Google has only recently implemented support for 64-bit with the Lollipop, so I hope that the Lollipop update will change a lot on this phone when it's out. So if you want more details to the phone design and the content of the box, then check the full unboxing video on my channel. So we will skip that and jump right to the phone. Okay, so let's first check the weight and the size of the phone. So this is including the battery. So we see it's 172 grams, so it's kind of heavy. Let's also check out the battery alone. I believe it's up here, yeah. So let's see. So this one is 53 grams, so it's also pretty heavy, and let's see what it says, 2700 milliampere hour, and the battery is a little bit thick, I think. And let us check out the thickness of the phone, so I will do it here in the center. Let's check. So here it says 9.24 millimeter. And let's just turn it around 360 degrees so you can see this design really quick here. And as told, you find the full unboxing on my channel, so please have a look there if you want to see all the details. Okay, let's turn on the phone. And first of all we see the Elephone logo. Okay, so now we are on the lock screen, and this one is pretty standard. As you can see, this is just an unlock screen. You can here swipe to add widgets, you can swipe to the other side here and to go to the camera. Okay, so let's just unlock. Let's just lock, unlock. So here you see another lock screen, and this is Go Locker. So I currently just installed Go Locker myself because I just wanted another kind of lock screen. And you see here, this one is with a nice animation. It's also possible to click here to change the color. Pretty nice. Okay, so you here see the viewing angle, and I must say the viewing angle is not bad, as you can see here. And the colors and the sharpness is also really good. And here in the dark, let's just see the viewing angle again. So you can see there's absolute nothing wrong with the viewing angles. But we must remember that this is only a HD screen, 720p, not a full HD, but still the screen is pretty good. And let's check out for back bleeding on the display. Normally you can see it on a black wallpaper. You see here, it's nothing bad. So the black values seems to be good. Let me just turn down the brightness a little bit here. See the highest, the lowest. Let me set this, I think, about here. Yeah. Okay, let us just check out the speed here. And you can see it's really fast here in the UI. Absolute no lag at all. Let's go to the app drawer, and here you also see really snappy. We also see here the light in the home button, but the menu and the back button has no light. Actually, it looks like light here, but in reality they don't light up at all. Only the home button has this blue light, and this ring here also act as a notification LED. So when you get a SMS or email or something, it will begin to flash. But unfortunately there are no other colors, so only one color for the notification LED. We don't find anything here in the top. Here we only have the earpiece and the front facing camera together with a proximity sensor and light sensor. Let's just check here. Let's see what we have here in the audio profiles. So here we have something new. Surround, audio surrounding. We have here lossless Bluetooth mode, high quality. That's also new. Let's have a look in display. We also see something new called Mirror Vision here. And I think this will enhance the display picture, the quality somehow. Okay, the rest is standard. Let's have a look what we else have. We have here the storage. So here in the storage we have all the storage in one partition, it seems, yeah. So you will have no problems installing a lot of apps on this phone here, because all the space is available. And here with the 64GB SD card inside the phone. So you see the phone storage and SD card here. So this is the SD card, nearly 60GB available. And let's see below here we have the phone storage on 12.36GB. So this is the internal in the phone. Let's see what we else have. Battery. So the battery we have standby, intelligent power saving. Okay. So apps. And here we see it has totally 2GB of RAM. Let's see what else have we have here. The language and input. In language, just let us check here. The rest is pretty standard, I think. We have developer options, of course, about phone. So inside here we have support for wireless updates, so you can do OTA. So I'm sure that this will support the Lollipop, the upcoming Lollipop. I hope we can just check for an update here and update the phone. Let's see what we else have here. We have the Android version 4.4.4. And let's just check here. And of course this is real, and I also tried to install the Google camera from the Play Store, and this also works fine. Let's have a look here in the camera app. You see here different options. I think this is face beauty. What do we have here? We have something here. Okay. See here, I think this is some kind of 3D effect. We have other options here also. Let's just pick normal mode. And we also have smile capture, HDR, setting for the flash, and also here for the front facing camera. And let me just try to do a picture here really fast. So it's fast, as you can see. So as you can see, we have really good details here. wow, it's good. So the camera is really good in this phone here, and I think also the front-facing camera will be good. I will test this in a minute, but one thing I have to say is that you may notice when I zoom, you see it doesn't zoom completely smoothly. Only if I do it really quick you can see actually that it does it in small steps. But if you do it slowly like this, you see it clearly that it's not completely smooth how it zooms. So I don't think it's real lag, but somehow maybe it's not optimized correctly or something in the software here. It's a little bit funny. Okay, let's just go back and let's try out the front facing. Okay, so here we have the front facing, and let me just try one picture. Check here. So I think this is fine for selfies and so on. I will of course provide some original samples and pictures below in the video description or on my blog, so please have a look there. Let's also have a look here in the settings. Do we have anything special here? This seems to be standard. This is also pretty standard here. See the picture size, 13 megapixel. We have 9.5 megapixel in widescreen. Okay, so here in the video we have something called noise reduction. I haven't seen that before. Okay, let's get back here to the home screen. Let's just test out the flashlight. So as you can see, the flashlight is not the strongest, but I think also it's not that weak. It's so in the middle, I would say. Okay, you can use it for a torch, a flashlight, but to help the camera in dark places, I think this is not really enough. But I guess it's better than nothing. So now I'm going to test out OTG, and let's first test out with a normal OTG cable here. I will just use my USB stick here. So let's see what happens if I connect this one. Let's try here. So nothing seems to happen when I connect this, so it doesn't seem to work. Let's pull it out again. But I found out that you can actually try with a powered OTG hub here. So I will just use my power bank here. This is a WinSig power bank, so I will get the power from this one, and let me just connect here. So this is a OTG hub from Enertech, and right now it's not found, but let's see what happens if I connect the power cable here. So we see it's found now. Cancel. Let's go to the file manager. Let's go to the external storage. So you see it's found now, the USB stick. Pictures. These are pictures from the USB stick. So it seems that OTG does work on this phone, but you need to have a powered OTG. Let's check out the Bluetooth. I will connect here the Bluetooth. So I will connect here to the speaker you see here from Enertech. just connect it. Let's go back here, the file manager. No, let's go back and try the music player, of course. Okay, so this works perfectly fine. Let's just disconnect the Bluetooth speaker again, and let me just try out the built-in speaker. Okay, so now I have connected here the piston headphones here, because many are asking also about the quality from the earphones. Let's just unlock here. Let's go to the music player and let me just play. Let's see if I somehow can try to So maybe you can hear that the quality is loud and good. Of course it's hard here to test here how the quality from earphones are, but you can hear that the sound is loud enough, and I can say the quality is also good. So here you can see the settings. This will pop up when you insert the SIM cards. And right now I'm using 2 SIM cards because this is a dual SIM phone, and you can see here what is used for voice call, video call, messaging and data. So you can change this, of course. Let's just close here, and you see here the reception. So 3G, and the blue one is only on 2G, and what you notice is that the reception for the network is pretty good on both. The Wi-Fi is a little bit low here now because I'm 2 rooms away from my router, but I must say actually that the Wi-Fi in this phone is really good and fast, so there's absolute no problems with the Wi-Fi signal. Later in the video here I will also show you some test results with the Wi-Fi analyzer, and I have also done a speed test. You can see here now the signal is a little bit better. But with Wi-Fi analyzer I got one of the best results ever, so just remember to check this out later. Okay, so let me just try to activate data here, and here you can see that the 3G is using H+. It's saying R in the front because I'm roaming on this SIM card here, but you see that H+ is working. And of course the phone also supports 4G, but unfortunately I have no 4G card to test with. Let me just show you here in the settings here. Let's go to more, mobile networks. So here you can see you can choose from 4G, 3G service, preferred network type. One step back. And we also have here the access point names. So here you can set up, for example, for one card here, access point. So here you see I have set up one, and you can also edit this one here again. Let's go back. Okay, so let us try a test call, and you can see here I want to dial this number, and I'm in the dialer, and then you can swipe down here, and then you can choose which card. or if it should always ask you. So I will choose this one.
To your messages, press 1. To change your personal options, press 2. To create or change your personal greeting, press 1.
So you can see the proximity sensor is also working fine.
To change your language preference, press 3. Please enter your 4-digit PIN followed by hash.
So now I'm going to run some different test apps. I will put some louder music in the background as always, so just check it out. So we are now in the end of this video, and I will now list some of the main pros and cons. So the pros are that the P6000 is really cheap, but still you get high performance because of the new 64-bit chipset, and it has 2 GB of RAM, which is good for heavier multitasking. The overall phone design and backside of the phone is a little bit better than on the P3000S, and it is very comfortable to hold. Besides support for GPS, it also supports GLONASS, LTE, dual SIM and memory extension. On this phone we also only have one big internal storage, so you will not get any problems installing a lot of apps on it. So now to the cons. Only the home key has backlight, the menu and back buttons are without any, and it doesn't have any colored notification LED. The OTG only works with a powered OTG hub or cable. When you zoom in pictures, it does it in rough steps, not smoothly. Also, the phone does not support off-screen features or things like double tap to wake or air gestures. So the compass doesn't work at all, and there is no gyroscope sensor built in. That's it for the review. Remember also to check out my blog, you find the link in the video description. If you think I forgot something or have any questions, please comment below. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching. See ya.